Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Turn off disturb mode. Open the control center. Tap on focus. You can see appears on screen. Do not disturb, enable and disable, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is make sure sound is turned on in WhatsApp notifications. Tap on setting app, tap on apps and tap on WhatsApps. Tap on notifications and allow notifications. If it's K, it means it's turned off, and you should tap it turn on once notifications turn on. The slider will turn green, and for some apps more options will appear below. Next, check the box for lock screen, notification center and banners. Then tap the tool next to sounds option to turn it on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is turn on WhatsApp under the background app refresh. Tap on setting app, tap on general, scroll up, tap on background app refresh. You can see appears on screen. It tap on background app refresh to go on, and go back and scroll up, and WhatsApp enable, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network settings. Tap on setting app, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, turning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.